Did you know that potatoes are the largest food crop grown in the world other than grains? Hi, I'm Jarrett from Stone Soup Farm, and this is how to harvest and store potatoes. Potato plants are very fast growing, and they'll grow mostly in the spring and during the middle of the summer. And then they kind of peter out and they die back real quick, the plant part above ground, leaving the potatoes below ground. We're here at the field in a harvest stage. You can see that these plants are almost completely dead now. They've gone through their cycle, but the potatoes are still under there. So to get them out, we'll take a shovel. We're going to place them far enough away from the plant so that we're not going to risk too much damaging the potatoes themselves. And try to get real deep under there. Sort of lift it up. And then pull through. And you'll find the potatoes under there. Once you have the potatoes, it's important to be relatively gentle with them. You don't want to be throwing them around or scarring up the outside, because any breaks in the skin can cause infections in the potato that would lead to rot later on. Potatoes would appreciate the most being stored in a cool, dry area, not too cold, but not too warm either. And if undamaged and in the proper conditions, they should store for about 2 to 4 months, depending on the variety. At that point, they'll start to sprout. And even after they've sprouted, you can still eat them, but you should take the sprouts off. Otherwise, you can or refrigerate them, but be careful with refrigerating them, because as soon as you take them out, they're going to start to rot relatively quickly. So I'm Jarrett from Stone Soup Farm, and that's how to harvest and store potatoes.